To clean your Corso stroller seat pad, there are several options: spot cleaning, hand washing, and machine washing. Option 1. To spot clean, simply use mild soap and water, and using a clean cloth, scrub the spot until it's clean. Option 2. To hand wash, you will need to remove the seat pad from your Chicco Corso stroller. First, remove the armbar and canopy from the stroller. To remove the armbar, press in on the buttons located at the sides of the armbar and pull outward away from the stroller. To remove the canopy, push up on the attachment clips on each side of the canopy at the same time. Remove the toddler seat from the stroller frame by pressing the buttons on both hubs as shown, and pull up to remove the seat frame. To remove the fabrics from the seat, locate the zipper on the side of the seat and undo the zipper. Unsnap the strap and release it from the D-rings. Unsnap both snaps from the seat frame. Repeat on the other side. Locate the silver snap buttons on the footrest frame. Press in the button to release it and pull it from the seat frame. Repeat on the other side. After hand washing the fabrics with mild soap and water, hang the seat fabrics upside down to air dry so that the water can drain out of the footrest tube. Option 3. To machine wash, slide the seat fabric from the footrest by pulling on the seat tube. Then, unbuckle the harness. To remove the shoulder pads, open the Velcro closure on the back of the seat. Locate the D-rings as shown. Then, locate the positioner strap tab and push the tab through the slot on the D-ring, detaching the shoulder pad strap from the D-ring. Then slide the shoulder pads off of the harness. Push the shoulder straps through the openings in the fabric. Then, do the same thing with the waist belt straps. Remove the plastic board in the seat back with the harness attached. To remove the crotch strap, undo the Velcro and locate the crotch strap D-ring. Push the D-ring through the opening on the seat bottom. Pull the crotch strap through the front side to remove. Locate both positioner strap tabs on the crotch strap and push them through the buckle slot on the D-ring slot, and slide the crotch pad off the harness. Remove the plastic board in the seat bottom. Once removed, the seat pad is now ready for machine washing. To reassemble and replace the seat pad back into your stroller, first replace the plastic board in the seat bottom. To replace the crotch strap pad, slide the crotch strap into the crotch pad, locate both positioner tabs on the crotch strap, and push them through the buckle slot and the D-ring slot. To re-secure the crotch strap, push the bottom of the crotch strap through the front side of the seat pad. Push the D-ring through the opening on the seat bottom board. Attach the Velcro to secure the opening on the bottom of the seat pad. Slide the plastic board with the harness straps into the seat back. Pull the waist belt straps through the openings in the seat fabric. Pull the shoulder straps back through the appropriate slots on the front of the seat pad. To replace the shoulder pads, slide them into the harness. Then, locate the positioner strap tab and push the tab through the slot on the D-ring, pushing from the front through to the back. Attach the shoulder pad strap to the D-ring. Repeat for the other side. Attach the Velcro to secure the opening at the top of the seat back. Next, position the tube below the seat pad on the table with the fabric channel, oriented towards the front of the seat pad. Lift the seat pad upright and insert the rib into the channel. Slide the fabric until the rib is fully inserted into the tube. With the seat pad facing down, align the seat frame over the seat pad. Then to reconnect the seat frame, depress the silver snap button and continue sliding until the button clicks into place. Repeat on the other side. Connect the zipper and secure the seat pad to the frame by pulling the zipper around the perimeter. Next, wrap the fabric side panel around the frame and secure both snaps. Repeat on the other side. Then, reconnect the webbing strap using the D-rings while pulling tight. Feed the end of the strap through the rings and snap it to lock it into place. You have now completed reattaching the seat fabric to the toddler seat. To connect the toddler seat to the stroller frame, first, line up and insert the hubs on both sides of the seat frame into the hub slots on the stroller frame. Then pull up on the seat frame to make sure it is securely attached to the stroller frame. To attach the canopy, slide the canopy attachment clips onto the corresponding attachment points on the seat frame. Make sure that the back panel of the canopy is located behind the seat frame. To attach the armbar, insert the armbar tongues into the corresponding openings on the seat frame.